And the next one I like a lot is the ETF view. So the ETF view is going to give you all the ETFs that traded on Friday. And we don't have the number in there, so I'm going to click on this, insert number, bring the number over to here, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see that there was 1,189 ETFs traded on Friday. Again, you can change that for percentage change. So if you're looking for the one that dropped the most, looking for a bounce on that ETF, well, you get the highest one there. We're looking for the one that dropped the most, and we see that it's Direxion Real Estate Bull. So also over here, view by fund family, we can unselect all. We could just select the Direxion. It gives us going to give us all the Direxion ETFs. Direxion are triple ETFs, so they give you a lot of bang for your buck. But you could also add in, if you wanted to add in the power shares in there as well, and maybe the pro shares, and that's going to give you all of those. Another way of looking at this, and if we select all, is you can select by ETF type, so you can uncheck any of those if you wanted to filter out by those, like the closed-end funds, which are mutual funds. The ETNs, you could uncheck those, uncheck the bond-based ones. It'll give you the US listed stocks and non-US listed stocks and the commodity-based. So another cool view that you can get from this. So the next thing I'm going to go to is filters and alerts. First one is the streaming algorithmic, and I have problems with pronouncing that word, filter. First thing that you can do with this is set up a custom filter. It'll first allow you to select the markets. So if, let's say you wanted to look at a pink, uncheck the others. Then the stock types, again we could uncheck the ADRs, the bankrupts, the foreign, delinquent, the preferred, and the exchange traded. Now for any of these parameters here, what you need to do is you need to check off the box. So let's say we did the price from 0.00, let's just do the 10. 2, and we want to look at all stocks that are below 20 cents, let's say. So you check that off, and then the next thing you probably want to check off is the volume. So again, let's say we're looking to invest 200, so we'll go $10,000. 500 times our 200, is that correct? No, we want to do $100,000. Okay, and you can check off any of these that you like. And then down here, you have the actions bars. And let's say that you wanted to look for something that let's say the liquidity. So you want to look at the share volume is greater than 3 times yesterday's total volume, or you can change that to 3 times the 5-day, the 10-day, the 20-day. Let's say the 20-day average volume. Okay, and once we've set in all of those, and you can set in the day range, the pullback action, rebound action, bid ask, tick action. There's a bunch of different things that you can set in there, but basically we want to just look at this now, see what we have for results. I checked off the price momentum, so we uncheck that, get our results. There's our results there. You can check on your filter info, see what you have filtered on it right now. Go back, open a new filter, or open your log. And at any time during the day when you have this filter going, you may have it set on something where you're getting a lot of shares or a lot of stocks coming up here. You can pause that at any time by just hitting the pause filter. If you see something of interest that you want to look at, and again, you can click on it and it'll straight away bring you up your day trade montage. It'll tell you what's happening on the stock right there and then. So we'll go back, and you can save this filter. We can save this, let's call it penny for class. Hit OK. It's been saved. Now down here on your save filters, you have preset filters. We got the penny and we got the penny for class. We click on penny for class, get your results, and again it gives you results for your filter. Okay, so that's our filters, and again you have the same options there. You can take snapshots of it, clone it as well. So we close that one out. Next is the pattern recognition alerts. Now remember that these are real time, so you can set these up real time to work for you during the day. This is not going to show us any information right now because there's nothing happening. But again, I'm just filtering it down just to show you. Now here's the alert types that you can put in. Let's say that you're looking for new stocks that hit new 52-week highs or new 52-week lows, price breakouts, volume breakouts, block trades. So you want to see stocks that have big blocks going through on it. And you click update, and again you can filter it out to get rid of some of the noise on it. And then you also have your settings here, so you can click on reoccurring highs, reoccurring lows, watch list only, short alert descriptor,